Can the legendary Sony A7 IV truly shine with its humble kit lens, or is it a pairing that falls short? Today, we're diving deep into the capabilities of the Sony A7 Iv, specifically when it's paired with the often underestimated 2870mm f/3556 kit lens. For stills, this combination offers a versatile focal range from wide-angle to short telephoto, making it a solid companion for everyday shooting. We'll examine its performance in different lighting conditions. In good light, the 2870mm can produce surprisingly sharp images with pleasing colors. The optical stabilization, OS, is a welcome addition, helping to combat camera shake and achieve cleaner shots. When it comes to portraits, the lens can achieve a decent amount of background blur, especially at its longer focal lengths, allowing your subject to stand out. For closer subjects, the minimum focusing distance is adequate, allowing for some nice detail capture, though it's not a dedicated macro lens. Now, let's talk about video. The A7 Iv's advanced video features are undeniable. With the 2870mm, you get a flexible range for filming vlogs, interviews, or general scenes. The autofocus system on the A7 Iv is incredibly fast and accurate, and it works seamlessly with the 2870mm during video recording, tracking subjects reliably. The built-in stabilization plays a crucial role here, smoothing out any minor movements and resulting in much more professional footage, especially when you're on the move. However, the lens's variable aperture means it gets less light at longer focal lengths, which can impact low-light performance and background blur in video. So, is the Sony A7 IV with the 2870mm lens GOAT? For beginners, it's an excellent entry point into the full-frame mirrorless world, offering a capable and user-friendly experience. For seasoned photographers, it's a perfectly usable option for everyday carry and travel, but you'll likely want to explore dedicated prime or zoom lenses to unlock the full potential of the A7 Iv's imaging power.